All brick ranch located on a little over 3 acres just outside of Warrensburg on bus. 13. Very nice secluded home in good condition, but with some deferred maintenance that features a shared driveway to the house and a nice large deck on the back. The main floor features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a living room, formal dining room, kitchen and main floor family room. The family room and kitchen are open to each other and has a wood-burning fireplace with an insert. The basement features a 4th non-conforming bedroom, large rec room, and large storage/utility room. There is a barn in the wooded area behind the home. New roof in 2013.